Is it the right time to buy or sell Plug Power stock? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into Plug Power. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, February 5, 2024. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You won't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of January 31, 2024, our system has identified Plug Power as a compelling buy candidate, giving it a score of 1.78. Now, let's examine how the stock has performed during this period. Unfortunately, the stock hasn't met our expectations, showing a loss of -2.36% so far. This means that, on average, the stock has experienced a daily loss of -0.59% since it was identified as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in a falling trend, presenting a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders. It is expected to react back towards the lower part of the trend. However, a break above the top trend line at $4.67 could indicate a slower falling rate and potentially a trend shift. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential -17.04% change expected over the next 3 months. The possible return during this period ranges between -57.39% and -10.86%. The 12-month trend suggests a -68.42% change over the next year, with a potential return between -85.90% and -66.42%. This translates to a price range of $0.613 to $1.46 after a year. Our latest update on Plug Power focuses on the recent stock movement. On Monday, the stock price experienced a decline of 6.76%. Let's take a closer look at the details. During the last trading day, the stock price fluctuated between a low of $4.16 and a high of $4.45, showing a 6.97% difference. The closing price of the day was $4.35, down from $4.66. Although the stock has fallen in 5 of the last 10 days, it is still showing an overall increase of 52.99% over the past 2 weeks. It's worth noting that the trading volume also decreased on the same day, which can be considered a positive sign as volume should follow the stock movement. Specifically, the trading volume decreased by 20 million shares, with a total of 40 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $173.90 million. Let's take a look at the stock's performance over the past year. The highest price recorded was $17.14, while the lowest price was $2.26. Currently, the stock price is 74.65% below the 52-week high, which is equivalent to a decrease of $12.80. Furthermore, it is 94.24% below the all-time high recorded on January 26, 2021, when the price reached $75.49. Analyst Ratings. Let's take a look at some recent analyst ratings for Plug. On Wednesday, January 24, 2024, BMO Capital downgraded Plug and gave it an underperform grade. On Thursday, January 11, 2024, Susquehanna also downgraded Plug and gave it a neutral grade. On Friday, December 22, 2023, UBS gave Plug an underperform grade and recommended a hold action. Wells Fargo, on the same day, assigned a market perform grade to Plug with a hold action. Finally, on Tuesday, December 19, 2023, Piper Sandler downgraded Plug and gave it a negative grade. According to analysts, Plug Power stock has received a general rating of neutral. The PE ratio is rated as buy, while the price-to-book ratio is also rated as buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of strong sell. In this video, we will be discussing the signals that have been identified for Plug Power. Let's dive in. The Plug Power stock currently holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages. This indicates a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $4.15 and $4.02. However, if the stock breaks down below any of these levels, it will issue sell signals. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. However, it's important to note that some negative signals were also issued, which may have some influence on the near short-term development of the stock. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, February 1, 2024. Since then, the stock has fallen by -7.55%. It is indicated that there might be further fall until a new bottom pivot has been found. Lastly, it's worth mentioning that the volume fell together with the price during the last trading day. This reduces the overall risk, as volume should follow the price movements. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicator has given a buy signal. Pivots indicate a sell signal 3 days ago. Bollinger Bands have shown a buy signal 87 days ago. The short-term moving average has indicated a buy signal 11 days ago. The long-term moving average has also indicated a buy signal 5 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages has shown a buy signal 2 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can see that the short moving average gave a buy signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average, however, indicated a sell signal 124 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 111 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Today, we will be discussing support, risk, and stop-loss for Plug Power. Let's start with the downside. The stock currently has support levels at $3.72 and $3.53, based on accumulated volume. When a stock is testing a support level, there is a natural risk involved. If the support level is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. In this case, if the support at $3.72 is broken, the next support level will be at $3.53 and $3.48. It's important to note that this stock is considered to be very high risk due to its high volatility. The stock can experience significant movement during the day. In fact, the stock had a $0.290 difference between its high and low in the last day, which is equivalent to 6.97%. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 11.65%. Let's start by discussing some essential fundamental data before we explore the potential trading levels for Plug Power. One important metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is either losing money or has negative earnings. It's not uncommon for established companies to experience temporary downturns due to external factors. However, consistently negative PE ratios may indicate insufficient profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on March 6, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $0.490. It's important to keep a close eye on these numbers as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, let's dive into the potential day trading levels for Plug Power. If there's an upward trend, keep an eye on the first resistance level at $4.45. If you're not yet invested, it might be wise to wait until this level is surpassed before considering a position. For those who already have shares, this level could be a good opportunity for swing trading. On the flip side, Plug Power encounters its first support level at $3.72. If this support holds, it could serve as a promising entry point, with the expectation of a rebound. The average rating for Plug Power from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On September 5, 2023, Mindnich David sold 32,792 shares of common stock as an insider. On January 2, 2024, Matani Kavita bought 2,500 shares of common stock as an insider. On January 2, 2024, Helmer Maureen O bought 3,056 shares of common stock as an insider. On January 2, 2024, Willis Gary K bought 3,611 shares of common stock as an insider. On January 2, 2024, Knossos Gregory bought 3,792 shares of common stock as an insider. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is positive with a ratio of 76.931. Overall, insiders have purchased 8,095,907 shares and sold 784,644 shares in the last 100 trades. We recommend setting the stop loss at $4.10, which is a decrease of 5.68%. This particular stock experiences significant daily movements, resulting in a high level of risk. Additionally, we have observed a sell signal from a pivot top that was identified 2 days ago. Is Plug Power stock a good buy? Despite the stock being in a falling trend, there are several positive short-term signals that indicate a potential buying opportunity. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a hold/accumulate to a buy candidate. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have found that the current price is overvalued. For Tuesday, February 6th, we expect Plug Power to open down $0.0267 and start trading at $4.32. Before we dive into the world of trading, it's important to remember that it comes with a high risk of losing money. To make informed decisions, it's always wise to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. It's essential not to solely rely on StockInvest.us for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment decisions. We'd love to hear your thoughts on the current view of the stock. Share your agreement or disagreement in the comments below. Also, let us know what target you have in mind for this stock. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates. We hope you have a successful trading day. Sending our regards from the entire team at Stock Invest, wishing you a beautiful day.